Na gabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor new. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Ki samla ki baya khunne ke exam na gabenta ka staff nurse but auxiliary nurse and midwife ANM kila mi shakmat ban pen paw ye ke jimbam hun ye ka rukam pen mi result ka MMSRB. Na kaliang ka Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board MMSRB kala pensyai pat ba ling bakilat pathai khubor ha kalai turik urisau kala kentat ye kejing keno ha kabede bat kijing bombet ha kerukom thungkam kenthop ye kijing keno bala shortlist ye ki kertong ki bakhlam wan ban ye khun ye ka exam ka member secretary ka MMSRB Dr. Elmin Lim Umlong Kampdiang hadin bakilamat ye kijing keno ki bajurba ha ka bayade ba kijing bombet ha kerukom thungkam kenthop ye kijing keno bala jet shortlisted ya ki kertong ki bakhlamwan bantho exam halor kane ka MMSRB ka kentat ye kini kijing keno ka MMSRB ka penskhem ye kejing kular jongka bandon ka rukam thungkam ka bahok bar ka bashai la thawru ye ka grievance banyada na kanu kejing penkhen ye ka hok bar kinu ki kertong ki bam hun ki la ban ujor shakasal banyo ye kejing penshai khanang ban la na kejing penthot ye kejing trekam jongka bot ban pendep ye kejing penrungkam ha kani ka benta la benrap I Dr. Melim Omlang
Tikala bande through typing error. Tikata jing pawru ko way ladanga ngadi kasing op kasi jantia. Henry nga opru isaya ka sports. Ti ka kerteng jonga kandon ka kasi jantia category but kandon dua ka sports category. Ti kindon tang gitu ki typing error. However la ki don kumbala batay madumane. La ki don ita ijing sngo bamshania. They always keep laman one chakane ka grievance redressal. Talk back through the email. Gitu bangila ay tingin saya ngila man pensay kami kata.
Kata ibu pulang ika department bah hadu magendawan ki sama bangun kendu habak singkir man putri. Semua bagi kita kum ke department jadi bit pendiam sore. Aku mungkin dia communication to lagi dia nanti sembalang ini berkapati jadi kum department dan dikit. Kasi kum nama kisah berada ni semua sama kita kita tu. Maka ni nak dia nak lupa culture tu kasi ini tapi ini tipu sembalang ni kan itu nak.
Em ka shulong kumta kan nyamar ba ngi la penmi bang ngi kan penlong ke exam. Klem the screen. Na kata ka daw ngi penmi tang ka roll number, ngi kong ngi penmi tang roll number. Bakin one ban screening verification. Dan dah hadin janmi ate piki namar ka tu ka namar baro ki brio ki kwa mantep ya ki marks. Tela ais ka roll number but ki marks. Ti kumbala batai meneng ong ban kot hispa Andrew Pusau nila hot no 3 times. Kenang begitu kiba long bahkan kan kam step ke rukom trekam long lada imbiang itu nila shim no ni itu bang nila screen lupa. Te season penmi ya ke final list ke results kamut kan one bet hispa Andrew Pusau tek nyoku pratek. Tari ta ngi kwa ke jing bhai ke jing step andre pause lesi kiba le pada ke exam kidon ke jing kho nyo nang kata kadaw ngila pendam no ya ketu boong ban one physical verification ya kitu ki 3 times the vacancy thing in court no menta exactly means kat badan kapus kata dadangi syam bakimbiang kemut ngin court no da kiwai kani kerukam actually ka kam pensuk bu yang ni ngurang kam screen show la sendrus pa news pa kat badai ngi court baik kat 164 lada kimbiang lada ki sispa san phau ki biang khat sao kimbiang kamot ngin court no sang as per the descending order of merit ngin court show sakitiki khat sao.
Tapi kita kumba dan kita semalam itu MSRB itu kabal baik banyak ya itu exam itu banyak batu di dan di invigilator mah antara what kita bertanda di baik itu. Jadi bahwa kita kejikan tak yang lain bakam dan kita guideline kemudian kita polisi di bantai ya kan jadi bawa apply. Ini bagi ya kejadian kuatkan. Bagi saya yang kata bagi saya.
Kim Shaya ka ka policy ha kan what policy
invigilators kamu
ka kam jong ki ka dito man
policy ka dito ka Kim Shaya ka
Kim Shaya to ka ki grievance jong ka balak ki beri buat exam.
Haji Shisha ni ka ha ka to ha po jong ka Haji Shisha. Ang website ini ka bagi laku nai ni ka lang simple bahaya kan bibir mentah nama bila pun simple ada kata ba daki kuat ban apply di staff nurse katu ke portal kala ayat pada lek di staff nurse itu ban apply si NM katu ke portal kala ayat si NM nangta pada kumtu bagi si ile shopping online dai kumtu pedantang di mobile nangta pada subuh mentah ki ong mengin hak select in select ngade kasih jantia kategori kala ayat cakap select list kala ai tik kasih jantia subuh mentah ngade garu kala select tik garu subuh mentah ngade reserve country tik patik naronang ta kadon ke email ke bengiyo ru ya plan se yangi pe nga ngamla ban upload nomor balai kadon tentang internet iya dai kini bepet internet issue is always there de nata kadang issue ki up shua sepersyang biang ni persyang kat bala na kalian jo kebut mangi pensuk ki kan di margini gidi bre jong itu ni kwa kini ki bre jong ni bikin yo kakam ni ru dan ni trace ta met but step ban penbiang bangi yo ya ki post ta si spam besar hadok bengi trace ta mengi penmi ni sya keno ing ta kijing ni ta berlist dai ni ong bah kapor bengi ai ka final result ni yo tek si spam besar nama ladang isu ai si spam besar ni kot hadin kata sau hongot kimbiang ki kot kisla si sen la declare ka sebelum kot kam sya syu banu eating list donong mangi bat met bat step ni trace ta ni perkhat ngin penbiang kan te mangin tip pada bakawan pada dakum ni thawat nyimla ban penun yu pai ba ma dan rai na kalian jungi kuma memes arbi kadai ga memes arbi ke barang share ke barang kat arsdam menta ni persyang ban reach out ikini hado ba aku abin ya tu ifi ba ka YouTube video lele nakadaw bakin nang nong ki kena jungi ban fail ni kita ke UMRC ni pha ka YouTube video shabara phai na thai ka long available ka YouTube do kumno bakin thok ki kata ka bangi persyang na ki bangin reach out ki bi ong ki banyarap ta ni kwa banyarap ki don na ki kena jungi ki ong ni ngam sutu bahaya katu buang lek ko ma responsive ngong ila ai YouTube video la dangi la tik kumta ngi lek kumta nai to kata ka benta jungi dan ni invigilators kambon invigilators kita ki pala experience sudah ki pala aju le ma ko OMR kam te syu ko mai te ki kena jongi le ki pala kam start ki dan mo kini ki pala aju le ki exam ko bon le ki la ong OMR kam kala step hai ki te den rik ngam ong pada don pada ki jongi ki staff nurse ko ki pala hamrang ba mo kala ham telur dai tengi yang ko moy ki pidan kam ki wan gi panikai ya ki dada ki kwa pakin nang isu ki telur nomor boleh hakapor ni ai ko OMR response sheet buat bakan do ai masih sian fi bakala bakin circle itu pasyu bakala wala do ai tak ada ngin puak ya kita bakan dong ni reach out ni persyang manikai ki dekat bangila ai le bol berat ni persyang dan rai ka jeng keno kan dan i ngin nomla ai da ban penhun do dia barat hot nomor rai ka jengut jengi ngimdan ai ga basniyo yano ban penmong yano ban keno yano ban kento ni ke pisa gi media lagi sutanap piwan ki kwa ai ka clarification kadai ka puari bangin syai ki sa ora ma deng ba ki la pathai tu bor jopi ikot tu bor jopi kin ya kin kondong ya tu ya ai ga sya bangin la ai karan in sya gen tenang bagi beri kin yo biang ka jin syania mentala da ki ong himdan ga jin syania pakat menta nado bangi don kan recruitment board ila ya le recruitment sya lai i barabor ki ong kontrak nurse ne kontrak doktor ne kontrak paramedic ne kat bangila ka government ka aila bilingi bin penha rai haka jing terekam kadon ka jing duna tambah ngindai pada bangi kam rectify ngindai de bangi ong tham le ye kan ni ka rectification process ko fi ong fi balai punta ngai persyak mon penha den rai ki invigilators pada conduct ke exam gila high trading ye ki shua biki kena jongi kin attempt ye ko ma responsive ye ki up shua wat pat le tak hadu na labatai ki dan rai teng bokli ka jing nervous dai la kum sedang no te don hi ka danga susun ai mo nga nomor beli ngai le dia ngai doktor dai kinas kide giwei gi balong ki nokusan ba i hospital jongi takadaw ni balai ni la sitam ani na mangi kwa ti kini kinas jongi bikin rung kam te ngi kang ada kata jing song ta jongi aka jing nervous ki madam ila kum circle ai no asa daga wei ni ma asyu man ai daga wei anta ki ten rei ban ong ko da bangi le khnang ban pentut ya exam bangi kwa man le tu bangi thung gi bre jong boleh menurut nasi situ kan ngimdan ni ban hai dalam fair do kata bahadu ada pikwa ban pet ki kemak lajang pisar pi sisiane pi bakalane ban pet kan ma
Terkejut bagi saya waktu bumi double row nombor tu.
That has been already clarified, but I'd like to add something in the last section of this meeting, that the MMSRB was actually considered as a quite an urgent requirement to add to the Health and Family Welfare Department through the experiences that the Health and Family Welfare Department had gone through during the COVID, due to the shortage of medical staff, both in all the areas as far as medical services are concerned. And in order to conduct examinations so that we could fill up the backlog vacant posts for all the medical services, especially the doctors and the nurses, this board was brought into the picture. And since then, considering the fact that we have already conducted successfully 2 examinations for our doctors, including junior specialists, this nurses examination was also conducted with the same intentions and the objectives to ensure that many of our qualified nurses who are looking for government jobs are recruited under this particular examination that had taken place. I would like to add to the query that Ba has just raised, to the fact that some invigilators had said that they were quite unsure about the procedure as to how the examination has taken place. I absolutely refute that allegation that has been raised, because the board had taken all the pains, like our joint DHS has added, to ensure that the invigilators, including the grade force, right? If I'm not mistaken, including the grade force, had been trained, given prior training and prior almost like a dress rehearsal in the State Convention Center prior to the conduct of the exam, where almost a kind of a step-by-step guideline had been given to them on what time they are to reach, what are the duties, what are their responsibilities outside the classroom, inside the classroom. In all of the centers that we had, both in Shillong as well as one center in Tura, there were senior officials from the Health and Welfare Department, mostly from the Directorate of Health Services, who had been taken out from their offices in order to do these duties as exam controllers and supervisors in all of these centers. The chairman himself, the member secretaries, I am the members administration of the board. We all took up our own responsibilities, including all the 3 directors of the health services, the MI research as well as the MCH, who had been moving around the centers to ensure that videography is in place, to ensure invigilators are in place, to ensure the police is there, law and order, and all other aspects which are required in order to ensure the free and fair conduct of the examinations was done. So therefore, we would like to ensure and assure all the fellow people from the nursing services that, as has been clarified by your senior officers here, all possible ways and means have been taken up to ensure that this particular exam is free and fair. And as far as is possible, there have been absolutely no human intervention to the fact that these OMR sheets have been handled, or I mean, have been, mishandled. So please, if you have any more doubts on the fact that your OMR sheets are tampered or any such other doubts, as has been said, please feel free to come and meet us in the grievance redressal cell through email or even through an application, even a phone call. It will be duly addressed. Thank you. I hope that clears all your doubts for now.